My name is Brian and I'm introducing the Mcombo electric toilet lift seat. And right now it's at its highest position. The arms do swivel in and out, whether you have your toilet against the wall or in a tight space. There's a remote that controls the up and down motion. So for the first step, you have part A, B, and C. And you want to grab this pole, and there's two arrows right here. You actually want to insert it into these parts right here. And that's step one. For the second step, we're applying the piece we just assembled to part letter D. And by doing that, we just grab this, align these brackets on the top, and you're done with the next step. For step three, when you have this set up, you want to grab your nuts, your washers, and your lock washers, and you want to put the washer and the lock washer beforehand. You want to insert it through here, like how I'm doing so. And on this end, you want to put another washer and a bolt on each side, and you want to tighten that up. And you'll be ready for the next step. So for step four, you want to put the nuts and bolts to these parts of the frame. But if for some reason they're not lining up, you just need to loosen the ones that we tightened earlier up here, and they should line up. Once you have the locking washer and the steel washer on the bolt, you want to just run it through and tighten it down all the way, just like how I did here, here, and here. You have 4 nuts and bolts with a set of washers, and they're running through these holes. So you want to run the bolt and the locking washer and the steel washer through the back. You might want to wiggle it around until it goes through. You put the other washer on the other end, and then you tighten the bolt. And then you're ready for the next step. So for step 6 and 7, step 6 is asking you to mount the motor and to run these pins through it. To make the job easier, you want to connect the last cotter pin and bolt to the bottom of the frame. Make sure this motor is sticking upwards. And then you want to connect the top portion back here. And once the holes are lined up, you want to grab your pin, align the holes, put the last cotter pin in, and you're just a few steps away from enjoying your toilet lift. So for this next step, we're attaching the arms that we're given. And you're going to use 2 sets of washers, a plastic washer, and these insert washers. So the first thing you want to do is grab this long bolt. You want to run a washer through it and one of these sleeve bolts through it. And you're going to run it through in here with your arm. Make sure that it aligns with the holes right here. And then you insert the other sleeve washer and the plastic ring on the other side. You run another steel washer, and you run the last bolt, and then you tighten it, and you're ready for the next step. For this next step, you want to touch the feet on the bottom. What we did is we turned the unit to its side. We put the 3 feet in, and to put the last one in, you just screw it in, and then it should go in very easily. If it doesn't go in easily, it's not in proper. You have to take it out and re-screw it, but it should go in this easily. And it works simply by pressing and holding. and that's at its lowest point.